So we just had 24 hours of rain pretty much. And I've a question for you. What is your answer? Honestly, reach deep into your soul. Would you caravan in November? It's November, is it? It's not November, it's February. I should know it's February because it was my birthday yesterday. But would you caravan in February in Derbyshire? Honestly. The house is set in massive grounds with deers and all sorts of things roaming around. But like I say, it's cold and quite empty being February. Surprise, surprise. The site's full actually, but the place here is quite empty. In fact, we've got some deers coming up here, which Mandy is going to be rather excited about. But hopefully we'll get a look. I won't get attacked. I'm not sure if deers attack or not. So there's Chatsworth House in the distance and deers in the foreground. Stags. Hopefully they're calm and probably busy eating. We just walk up a bit further. I just trod on the puddle. Subject lost. Come back to me. Right, so we've been walking for about 10 minutes from the Caravan Club site and we've reached Chatsworth House, which is in the back there. I'll show you in a sec. Still obscured by the bloody trees. They'll walk miles around. Well, not miles, but I'm sure they put the trees there so that you can't see it unless you pay. Buggers. Looking at their dogs in the distance. I hope they haven't set the dogs on me. But anyway, I just wanted to get a glimpse of the front of the house while the sun was kind of out. Kind of a rarity in February in Peak District, Derbyshire. Come on, there it is. Chatsworth House, hurrah. Worth the walk, I'm sure you'll agree. So there's a car park over there, which is, I'll say, £4. I think maybe they've got a canteen or some restaurant open, I don't know. But the house itself isn't open. There it is anyway. There's actually a nice little river that runs alongside it as well. The house behind me. Hurrah. I'm freezing. I've got to try and find out how I can get back to where Mandy is. She's over there on the other side of this muddy field, which I've now got to cross or walk over there. Bugger. There's probably signs that say keep off the grass as well. Anyway, there we go. Get shot for trespassing. High speed van. 5 miles an hour. Maybe not. It's alright, it's not much there. Couldn't see many tarts.